IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you enjoy looking at old photographs? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I like to see old photos because they remind me of my past. Sometimes I feel happy and sometimes sad when I look at them.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic, short ideas. Limited development. Pauses implied. Lexical resource. Simple vocabulary. Happy, sad, past. Grammar. Simple present. Limited range. Occasional errors. Pronunciation. Generally understandable but basic. Typical of Band 5. Communicative but limited depth and language range. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I do. I actually enjoy old photographs because they allow me to reflect on different stages of my life. Sometimes it's nostalgic, especially when I see pictures from my childhood or school days.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth and connected. Developed but not elaborate. Lexical resource. More precise items. Reflect. Stages. Nostalgic. Grammar. Mix of simple and complex structures with good control. Pronunciation. Clear and natural. Typical of Band 7.5. Engaging, controlled, but not fully sophisticated. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. Old photographs fascinate me because they freeze moments that would otherwise fade from memory. I particularly enjoy comparing candid family shots across different decades. They capture subtle changes in fashion, personality, and even family dynamics.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Fully developed, natural, and nuanced. Lexical resource. Rich and precise. Candid, freeze moments. Family dynamics. Grammar. Wide range with full flexibility and accuracy. Pronunciation. Effortless and entirely clear. Typical of Band 9. Complex ideas, sophisticated language, and elegant delivery. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.